Hi guys, this is Jessica Young and I'm just going to show you really quickly this trick that I figured out when using Just For You online UK pigments. So what I've discovered is that if you take their solid color pigment and then you add a bit of their Chameleon pigment to the solid pigment, you end up getting an epic Chameleon pigment that's a bit more colorful. So let me just show you what I do. So I have my pre-mixed, resin, and I'm just gonna pour some here into my silicone cup. And then I'm going to take a bit of the pigment here. And I'm going to add a bit of the pigment to my pre-mixed resin. I want this to be pretty concentrated, so I added quite a bit. And then adding a bit of the Chameleon, and it's up to you how much of the Chameleon pigment you add here. Sorry, you're watching me struggle. But just a little goes a long way, really. Okay, and then I'm going to stir and what you get is a beautiful color changing purple pigment. Have fun.